everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Today's vlog is going to be all about us finishing our Christmas decor. If you watched yesterday's vlog, then you saw us decorate the Christmas tree, but today we wanted to finish everything else off and get our whole apartment decorated and into the Christmas spirit as well. Typically, November 1st, I pull everything out and it is all decked out within that week, but this year I did want to wait for Vlogmas so that we could share it with you guys. Normally, we go all out for Christmas. We like to be super Christmassy with tons of decorations, so I'm excited. I'm ready to get going and get our apartment feeling cozy and festive. I've got my Christmas PJs on and I am ready to go. All right, so we got all of our Christmas decor that we have spread out so that we can see everything and know what we're wanting to grab. This is always how I start every single year with decorating. I always like to lay everything out because that helps me get a visual for what I'm going for in each room, and I can kind of like stand back, look at what I have, look at what I've already put up in the room, and be able to see what matches best and what I want to put up next, basically. So I already cleared off all of my old decor that I had sitting up here and just kind of like cleared the countertops as much as possible. And I think I am gonna start over there with the hot cocoa bar. So I'm gonna come over here and just see what things I'm thinking I want over there for sure. So I know that I like this sign over there that says it's a hot chocolate with lots of marshmallows kind of night, because obviously that goes really well in a hot cocoa bar. So I'm gonna put this over here. And then let's see, obviously the hot chocolate bar sign as well. Oh, and then I almost forgot this little hot cocoa basket. I'm a little upset because I was planning to go get a few jars to go inside of this. I wanted to fill up 3 little jars and put hot cocoa in one, marshmallows in another, and then little mini candy canes in one, just like little mason jars or something, and then set it up in this little basket. I thought that that would be so cute over here, but I didn't end up picking that up, so I'll have to go do that pretty soon so that we can put that in the hot cocoa bar as well. And then I think that that's pretty much everything that I for sure want to put over there, so I'm gonna go start looking at this and figuring out what my best action plan is for the hot cocoa bar. Okay, so it's been a minute since I talked to you guys, but I think I'm finally starting to figure something out for this corner. I think I decided to not do the hot chocolate bar sign, and instead I am going to do just this little hot cocoa basket, and then I have a little Merry Christmas mug, a couple of trees, and a snowflake over here, and then I have my marshmallow sign with my can of hot cocoa over here. So I think that that looks really pretty. I also decided to take out my tiered tray. I tried a few things. I had this little garland in here, but I just wasn't really loving how it looked, and I think it looks really good how it is. I'm kind of liking this, and once I have those mason jars in that basket, I think that'll be perfect. Okay, so moving on to this corner, I feel like this corner is really rough to find good pieces for, because number one, I have to hide this blue cord to Johnny's desk, but also I just feel like when I put something too small in this corner, then it just kind of looks bare over there. So I feel like this corner is quite the challenge. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do over here yet, but let's figure it out. I've got this set up. I'm not 100% sure how I feel about it. I do feel like it's a little bit short for this area. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. But this is what I have for now. All right, this little section over here is definitely growing on me. I kind of like it. I think it is more simplistic a little bit than what I normally do. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna keep it there for now and we'll see if I change my mind later. Also, I almost forgot that I usually do one of these little signs above the stove. So I think I'm going to go put that over there. Okay, Perfect. And then we also already put out our little Christmas spoon rest that says Seasoned Greetings. We're trying to figure out what to put over here on this wall. I was kind of thinking that we would put our little countdown to Christmas sign that Johnny has. So there's 23 days left till Christmas. Counting it down.
So we already have our wreath out there, so do you want to put that wreath up there?
Yeah, let's do it.
Where it always goes, not much of a surprise.
Yeah, true. I mean, there's only so many doors in this house, so only so many places that could go. Perfect. I love it. Cute. I like it. So normally we would probably move to the table, but there's still a whole bunch of stuff here. So let's go ahead and move to the living room and start on this, and then hopefully we'll clear enough stuff off the table so that we can start decorating that part. We also have our little TV fireplace going. We always put on our little fireplace while we're doing Christmas activities. I just feel like it's brings like a Christmassy vibe to the house. I love it. And we busted out the Santa hats. This is what we do pretty much every year when we decorate. Usually we like to wear Santa hats just to get kind of silly and into the spirit. So got our Santa hats on. All right, so we got the couch all done. We got our 2 little pillows and our blanket. Let's do the coffee table. Do you want to get our little candle holder, babe?
Yeah, we've had this since we started dating.
Yeah, I think this was one of the first Christmas decor pieces that we got.
So, no this then? Because it's not gonna fit.
Yeah, probably take that away. Perfect. Oh, this looks so cute. I love that. So I think we're gonna put this little Christmas tree sign up here, and then we'll put our stockings up there with it. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot to put out the Christmas towels in the kitchen. That definitely ties everything together, I feel like. Oh my gosh, okay, so I almost forgot about Christmas towels, but then I forgot about these ones that I just barely bought that I really wanted to put in here, but I don't know, I feel like the red looks so good. Maybe, I wonder if this would look good over the top of this one. Let's try it. Okay, not gonna lie, I feel like that looks really cute actually. I think this is what we're gonna go with. We're gonna do the tree farm towels over the top of the red. I think it's the perfect balance of like the minimal, but then it still has that pop of red. Perfect. Yeah, that looks so cute right there. Bear, you need your Christmas sweater, bud. Where's your Christmas sweater? Huh? Where is it? Let's go get it. Come on. Bear always gets so excited for his sweater. Let's see if he'll do it. Bear, do you want your sweater? Come on. Do you want it? Come on. Let's get your sweater on. Sit. Good boy. Do you want your sweater? Do you want it? Good boy. Oh, good boy. Very handsome, Mr. Bear. Very, very handsome. You guys, I am hyped. This looks so pretty. And then we've got our little fireplace going. We got the tree. We got our little festive pup. We got everything we need. We do still need to decorate these little shelves, so let's probably do that next. Actually, I kind of want to see how this looks. I just had a thought. That actually looks really cute. Okay, let's make this work. Okay, we got these little wreaths to stay on our TV stand, and I think that that looks so adorable. So now I am gonna go ahead and put some decorations in these shelves. Okay, I think I found the setup that I like of these, and I've just got these 2 little signs in here, and then the other snowflake and a little Christmas tree. I think that looks super pretty in our little TV stand. I am getting so happy. It looks like Christmas behind us. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I've been waiting for this all year. and it's finally here. Ooh, I also think I want to put this little candy dish over here on the coffee table. And we'll just have to get some Christmas candies to put in there. So everything is starting to come together so well. I'm so freaking happy that I finally have Christmas decor in my house. I literally can't stand it. I think we're gonna take a break for a little bit. We wanted to make some cookies and probably watch a Christmas movie and just kind of relax in our little Christmas festive living room. Okay, we got the pans. And then let's get the cookie dough. Do we want reindeers or do we want snowmen?
I'm thinking, ooh, that's hard. I'm thinking snowman.
Okay, good call. I was kind of thinking snowmen too. So we got our cookie dough. Let us know in the comments if these are the best cookies ever for Christmas time. We had the ones with little Christmas trees on them, and those are my personal favorite, but I don't know. At least to me, and I think that Johnny would agree with me, these are literally the best Christmas cookies ever.
It's my childhood.
And the other good thing about these is that they are so easy to just throw in the oven. Because we'll probably make our own like homemade cookies later on in the season, but for a night like tonight when we've been hard at work decorating our little wonderland, these are literally so great. Let's get these boys in the oven. Okay, so our timer just went off. Let's see if they're done. Oh, yeah, those look good. All right. We've got our hot chocolate and we've got our cookies that we baked, and we are gonna sit down and watch a Christmas movie. We are gonna watch The Night Before Christmas, which is a movie on Netflix. We watched it last year and it's super duper cute. So we are gonna sit here in our little Christmas winter wonderland and watch this movie. And it is time for some Advent. Okay, so the first day I went first, then Johnny went first, so I think it's only fair that Bear goes first this time, so let's open his Advent. Are you ready? Do you want it? Ooh, today it's a green bone. Do you want it, bud? Yeah. Can you shake? Shake. Good boy. There you go. Okay, me next?
You next.
Okay. It's such a struggle to get all the way up here and cut these down.
You really should have put yours at the bottom.
I know, I'm way too short for this. What is this?
You don't know what it is?
No.
It's a pop socket, but it's a candy cane one.
That's actually really cool. It's like this little like Christmas candy, but it's a pop socket. That is really awesome. Thank you, babe. Any guesses on what this is?
No, actually. I have no idea.
Okay, let's see.
Sounds like a box. That's awesome. That's cool. Did you find that on Amazon?
Yeah.
Magnetic chess and checkers.
Yeah, so the story behind this one is that every single time we go to Target, they have a little chess set, and he's like, every single time we got past, he's like, get me that, get me that. And so I didn't get the one from Target, but I just ordered this one off of Amazon, so that's the story behind this one. All right, and that is everything for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to click that bell notification icon. That way you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and that way you won't miss any of our exciting Vlogmas videos that we have yet to come this season. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite piece of decor is that we put up in our house. I literally love all of it. There's no way that I could pick a favorite, but I would be interested to see what you guys have to say about it. And I will be back tomorrow with a brand new vlog. Bye guys!